Test if Numpy array contains only zeros. We initialize a Numpy array with zeros as below. But how do we check whether all elements in a given n Numpy array matrix is 0? The method just needs to return the true if all the values are indeed 0.
The other answers posted here will work, but the clearest and most efficient function to use is numpy.any. Or this is preferred over numpy.all a=0, because it uses less RAM. It does not require the temporary array created by the a=0 term. Also, it is faster than numpy.count_non-zero-a, because it can return immediately when the first non-zero element has been found. Edit, as Rachel pointed out in the comments, np.any no longer uses short-circuit logic, so you won't see a speed benefit for small arrays.
Check out numpy.count_non-zero.
I'd use np.all here, if you have an array A.
As another answer says, you can take advantage of truthy/falsy evaluations if you know that 0 is the only falsy element possibly in your array. All elements in an array are falsy if there are not any truthy elements in it. However, the answer claimed that any was faster than other options due partly to short-circuiting. As of 2018, Numpy's all and any do not short-circuit. If you do this kind of thing often, it's very easy to make your own short-circuiting versions using Numpy. These tend to be faster than Numpy's versions even when not short-circuiting. Count_non-zero is the slowest. Some input to check performance. Check. Helpful all and any equivalences.
This will work.
This is a